Chief Minister Biren laments lack of proper playgrounds as hindrance in producing good football players from the state, keen on construction of more playgrounds. Two-day National Conference on New Technology for Road Construction witnesses Union Minister Nitin Gadkari's aspirations to put Manipur among developed states of the country. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham says development is not mere imitation of developed countries but preservation of our age-old traditions. State Police Department cautions the public not to support the bunds called by all Manipur DPC completed re-recruitment candidate of Police Constable Mil 2013 batch. And a first-timer at I-League football tournament, Neroka FC beat Kerala's Gokulam FC by 3-0. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. The 11th Jadonang Memorial Football Tournament, organized by Zaliangrong Football Association since November 11 at Thangmaiban Athletic Union, has concluded today. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongtongpam Biren lamented that lack of proper playgrounds have hindered the production of good football players from the state. He asserted that the state government is making all-out efforts to construct playgrounds at different parts of the state, including remote areas. He also assured that his government will extend assistance for construction of a sport complex for the Zaliangrong community and called on Zaliangrong Football Association to identify a spot for the same and intimate him. Speaking at the event, former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam highlighted the need to promote the tournaments by including other communities and to conduct the tournaments at the state level. Former Chief Minister and veteran politician Radhabinod Koijam said Jadonang was a true leader for all communities in the state, though he was born in a Zaliangrong community. He hoped that the football tournament held in his memory will enhance the harmonious relationships among various communities in the state. In the final match played today, Langthabal Tingthal Rongmei Club beat Kashamtong Kabui FC by 5-4.
Alzad bizat khaiba ponate sports ile to ki mati masidadi ai Christiani ai Muslim ni ai Maitai ni Hindu ni sanamahi ni gaile jante saba na koi ama khata da leimin na ba koi new amata ni habi go apolo ni sports ki spirit to leibani jaga ja khuni moda apoi infal area khata da confine to na taba far flung areas leiba potential me am je koi lokthok podrakar leiba potential sima talent sing je koi expose to on podrakar leibani na
General isinaw sing marak da confine to na isa inaw sing se hen hana masi train to randa minimum oyunda bani haduna khadi wa khanda chumi adugo project matam dula we have to go beyond that on state level ke thak Jadonang Memorial Tournament se atop state se level team mayam se invite to dana madu ke exposure se lawdana sanaba batan se la abra had.
Union Minister for Road, Transport, Highways, Shipping and Water Resources, Nitin Gadkari, inaugurated a two-day national conference on new technology for road construction attended by works ministers of all states at Lucknow yesterday. Minister of PWD Manipur Thongam Biswajit also attended the conference. Speaking at the inaugural function, the Union Minister said Manipur's connectivity, including waterways, will be improved using new technologies for road constructions at the earliest. The Union Minister said construction and development of new roads will not only improve the state's economy but at the same time bring the villages closer. He said officials from Union ministries will be sent to Manipur to identify the state's sinking zones and use new technologies to put Manipur among the developed states of the country. Nitin Gadkari also instructed Manipur Works Minister Thongam Biswajit to identify suitable sites for setting up of cement concrete plants for the national highways in Manipur. Chief Engineer of PWD Manipur, Temba, and ADB Director Y. Joy Kumar from the state also attended the opening day of the conference. Indian Medical Association Manipur State Branch conducted its 33rd annual conference Amma Mekon at the Indian Medical Association House in Lamphel Part today. Medical professors and doctors presented slideshows on symptoms and treatments of various diseases and health discussions. Chairman of Manitco, Dr. Y. Radhesham, professors, doctors and medical students participated at the conference. Former Chief Minister Okrami Bobby asserted that President and Home Minister speak on dual tone regarding the framework agreement. Speaking at a sit-in organized by Bloc Congress Committee at Hairok Part 1, former Chief Minister said a Congress delegation led by MPCC President T.N. Haokip and former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam has submitted a memorandum to the President requesting the central government to disclose the contents of the framework agreement. But the President did not give any concrete reply. He pointed out that President Kovind did not mention anything pertaining to framework agreement during his speech at the Sangay Festival. However, while addressing at the Hornbill Festival in Nagaland, the President has categorically stated that the Naga issue will soon be resolved and it will fulfill the aspirations of the Naga communities. On the other hand, Home Minister Rajnath Singh has made it clear to the state BJP leaders that the territorial integrity of the state will not be affected. Ibobi said that the members of Congress party have sleepless nights because of the issue of framework agreement. He further said various accords like Punjab Accord, Mizoram Accord and Assam Accord were initiated during the Congress rule and the contents were all disclosed to the public. He said the Congress party has not done anything that might harm the territorial integrity of any state, but the BJP, after coming to power at the center, all projects are initiated in a very secretive manner. He warns that it is high time to live with utmost caution.
Prime Minister, Home Minister, Bharat ki sarkar da akoi kami namni constitutional head ni Bharat sarkar da advice to view NSN IMD waro isi program mokona bada framework agreement da kari yaw ri bano haji masi bawat takuk pide moi waro isi program permanent solution program honam da Manipur ni kahen bai yaro hai ma sedu munni kari ta hai ye city political issue yes political issue koi kami adu advice to view hai ga kaisi Sangay Festival na jo kaisi masi mari leina ba kai mo palam de kai mo hairam de Nagaland yorgana Nagami issue je waro issue nama worna na mo hona buda yam na naksal na hai ba ayo.
Taking part at the sit-in, President of MPCC, T.N. Haokip, stated that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is someone who cannot be trusted as he says something and do something else. The agreement signed between the Prime Minister and NSC and IM is very secretive and nobody is aware of the contents, and it has created fear psychosis amongst the people of the state. T.N. Haokip further stated that Manipur is a beautiful place because of the fact that all communities, namely Meitei, Pangal, Naga and Kukis, live together. However, the social harmony of the state is in danger with the arrival of the BJP in power. Former Minister Morangtem Okendra, Vice President of MPCC, Tongbram Mangi Babu, executive members of MPCC, President of Mahila Morcha and people of Hairok constituency took part in the protest meet.
Confusion BJP amasung magi Prime Minister Modi to ngasai koi Vice President na patena patra kada ni ngai ni oi di bawa machinda am hai gani makuta ma hai katau.
Central Adoption Resource Authority, CARA, a statutory body of Ministry of Women and Child Development, Government of India, called on Minister of Social Welfare and Cooperation, Nemcha Kipgen, at her office chamber in New Secretariat to discuss on how to effectively promote legal adoption in Manipur today. Minister Nemcha Kipgen appreciated the team and said that as a concerned minister and a lone woman minister in the cabinet, she deeply felt connected when it comes to the welfare of the children and the downtrodden. She said the children should be given care. to the right hands and assured that necessary assistance would be offered regarding the matter. She urged the team to initiate opening of the concerned offices in the 7 newly created districts so that children from every nook and corner will not be deprived of their basic rights. Nemcha further assured that all concerned stakeholders like District Child Protection Unit, DCPU, Child Welfare Committee, CWC, will soon be placed at the same office venue. It may be mentioned that CARA is designated as the central authority to deal with inter-country adoptions in accordance with the provisions of the Hague Convention on Inter-Country Adoption 1993, ratified by Government of India in 2003. It primarily deals with the adoption of orphan, abandoned and surrendered children through its associated or recognized adoption agencies. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham asserted that development is not imitation of the developed countries, but preserving our own age-old tradition culture today. He was speaking at the inaugural function of National Youth Cultural Festival. Epoch Films Production Manipur, in association with Kanglei Performing Art and Cultural Research Institute, organized the event at MFDS. The minister also opined that it is high time for people of the state to fathom the word culture to become a cultured state, as being cultured is the foundation for becoming a developed society. 7 different personalities from various fields who have achieved excellence were presented the National Youth Award 2017 at the event. A musical concert was also held as part of the event.
Even Sarkar na tau da bathabu tu naharol sing na tawre adu laibok phabadi artist pu nungsibiba donor mayam ama thokla ga mating panga thau tawbu ngamine akoi mi sing si yamna mating pangan ba sympathy leiba hospitality leiba adu encouragement over that issue oi akoi gi lawpham to batai ta se thamoi seng na lawbam darkar le adi politics oiro artist oiro any hiram khudingmak sports personality oiro bureaucrat officer oiro Porting here, Sandal Lambirom the Oina Sattava. I in a period of contribution, Sina, Tabak to Taubuta, Penza Wakalonama, Lairagadi, Akoi Samase, Chungshu Juidana, Mangum the Sunsin Bastaka Samazama.
Keeping up with the declaration made by Mahud Minister Thaunojam Shyamkumar that strict actions would be taken against shopkeepers and market vendors without license and those occupying improper location at Khwaramban market, non-conformists were picked up and their commodities confiscated. IMC conducted drives in different areas of Khwaramban market, namely Masjid Road, Kasturi Bridge areas, since December 7. They confiscated their products and it was buried today at IMC complex in presence of the mayor and municipal commissioner.
Kwamanana Singba, Mapam Sadana Yolambasing asi, Impal Municipal Corporation na, Masimatung the Taudanaba, pick up Toraga Posayasi, Mangan Bagi Tabak, Sataba Hojabane, Tasingna, Kwamana Yonbasingna, Hugi Manapolangasi, Namulturen that Hadaraga, Namulturengi, Amotpo Henba, Hugi Civic Sense, Yaudaba, Adugum Bagi Wakalon, Sitaudanaba, Hidana, Hoi Masigi drivers is Satajaba Hojabane.
Haurebi College, Mohammad Sahidur Rahman has clarified the allegations made by the General Secretary of the college's student union in some press media against him regarding misuse of college funds as baseless. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Sahidur further claims that the students union under the leadership of the General Secretary has made such unfounded statements in order to cover up their own misdeeds. He said he made no mistakes regarding the UGC and MOBC scholarships and made counterclaims that Sabir and 3 other students have forged his signature on the scholarship forms. He alleged that they even obtained admit cards for BSc from Manipur University by forging his signature. The principal in charge further stated that the student leaders Sabir Muhammad Mutabi Ahmad, Narul Hassan and KH Asif Khan are terminated from the students union and a police case was filed against them at Lilong police station.
I sign nate, Masida Tauriba sign General Secretary MD Shabir Ahmad na sabani sim ngasi fawbada principal ama oina aina leirakpadagi lupa ama fawba aina UGC gi amadi MOBC gi scholarship ki paisa laukiba leiti aikoina rural bank ta fee collection tawhanbadu manager gi asaba soi tawraga chalan college da purai UGC gi scholarship ki sign tawrambasi hauji aigi da video recording lei finance secretary masana saraga lupa crore amrom naronda khangandana lokthoknaba moina tawrami.
Police Department in a press release informed that one drug peddler identified as Morangtem Hemanta Maitei, 40 years, son of M. Tombi Yaima Maitei from Hairok Part 2, Bujari Tutek, was arrested near Sarojini Oil Palm, Kangabok Khong, Thoubal on December 7. 100 grams of heroin powder worth 2 lakh rupees in the international market, one Honda Activa and incriminating articles were seized from his possession. A case has been registered at NAB police station and further investigation is going on. The press release further informs that in a separate incident, a team of District Police Commando Imphal West conducted coordinated search operation at Tarung village, Langol on the same day around 2:30 p.m. and arrested one active member of NSCN-R. The arrested person is identified as Dondai Panmei, alias Nelson, a 30 years son of Dijon Panmei from Wairangba village, Tamenglong district. One two-wheeler without registration number, one ATM card, one Aadhaar card, one PAN card and 50,070 rupees cash and other incriminating articles were seized from his possession. A case has been registered at Lamphel police station and further investigation is going on.
High Court now inquiry ama semu haidana inquiry commission ama semdana inquiry sathaba maramna result sigi matangda case sigi matangda wafam mata phongtokpa.
The police department has cautioned the public not to extend any support to the band called by All Manipur DPC completed re-recruitment candidate of Police Constable Male 2013 batch and further stated that stern action will be taken against anyone supporting the band. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Police Headquarters in Babupara today, IG Dr. S. Ibomcha stated that there was no statement made by Chief Minister Biren that the result of the set police recruitment will be declared on or before December 7. He further said an inquiry committee has been set up to probe the matter and the case is still going on at High Court of Manipur. He said the ongoing case is extended till January 22nd, 2018. He asserted that the steps taken up by the JSC is against the court's ruling and hence appeals the public not to support the band.
High Court now inquiry ama semu haidana inquiry commission ama semdana inquiry sathaba maramna result sigi matangda case sigi matangda wafam mata phongtokpa yade court ki wafam oibanina subsidize oigani government gi school sing college sing private school college loinamak aduga government gi office sing su banasida sagotpidana mayam loinamak kabi haidana sarkar gi taraftagi appeal tawjare bansiga mari leinaba mioi sing bansibu sagotpa mayam adudi court ki against the chatpasu tare mayambu lana lamjing ba oina rule gi matungina chatnariba lamdam sigi law gi matungina akan ba action lokhatkani.
All Manipur DPC completed recruitment candidate of Police Constable Male 2016 batch in a press release said that Bishnupur area has supported its call for total shutdown from the midnight of December 10. The press release warns the government to take the full responsibility in case of any untoward incidents during the band. Manipur Muslim Human Rights Organization MMHRO will conduct a Human Rights Day program at A. Guni High School ground, Hataminuthong on December 10 at 10:30 in the morning. Now it's time for a small commercial break. Coming up next is a report on the sit-in held against the first ever acid attack of November 29 in the state. We will be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. JSC against the acid attack on a mother of two, Mangshatabam Ongbi Menaka from Soibam Laikai, Wangkai Kunau, has demanded life imprisonment for the culprit Mohammed Sadat alias Tomba from Hata Ita Khola, who is under police custody. Taking part at a sit-in held at Citizens Club's office in Soibam Laikai, Menaka's mother-in-law Mangshatabam Ongbi Bino told Impact News that Mohammed Sadat alias Tomba from the neighboring locality poured acid on her daughter-in-law near Wangkai Kunau crossing while she was returning home in the evening of November 29. Menaka is undergoing treatment at RIMS since then and is still in a critical condition. She condemned such merciless and thoughtless act and wants the culprit to be ostracized from the locality. She alleged that Mohammed Sadat alias Tomba was warned by Citizen Club and Maira Paibi for being involved in drug peddling and in various other crimes in the past.
Pisida Sibayana Taurami Basa, Masigi, Zeraxe, Akanba, Zeraxe Pibiu, Mapunsigo in a Zen the Tambiu, Nupisi, Mata to Yoktana Lay, Doripasi, Huzik, Soina Gedraka, Dogadra, Gay Habasea, Tambangam de Haba, Pataba Misa, Moina Lady, Mapamsea, Masi Yamna Moigi Karba, said drug Yonba, Zaba, Tapa, Punama, Moina, Adum, Kano Karbaro in the Taulade, Masigi, Mapamsea. The
JSC, formed in connection with the acid attack on Menaka, has also demanded stern and befitting punishment for Mohammed Sadat alias Tomba for his heinous crime. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, convener of the JSC, Mohendra Naurem, appeals the government to consider the matter seriously and give befitted punishment to the culprit. The JSC also demanded the state government to provide necessary assistance to the victim. Prize distribution ceremony for the first state-level talent search competition, scholarship competitive examination was held at Gandhi Memorial Hall, Imphal today. The set examination was conducted on October 29 this year. Speaking as chief guest at the event, Associate Professor of English Department, Manipur University, Irom Gambhir opines that in modern Manipur, success equates material achievement, which demeans the meaning of education. He asserted that in order to achieve an egalitarian society, we must instill moral values while imparting education. He said that competitions are not meant for acquiring certificates, but to become a well-educated person, and called for promotion of healthy competition among the students.
Parikhaga ngasi thengnariba MPSC gi against the lairabe allegation court ta lairiba case mayam ka thengnari sigi example sik karino haiba kansida ma khan khragadi phare afaba ozam afaba officer am oisano haidana blessing bibagi mahutta ai phagudri karigino haidana compete tongnadana laibak ki thaunaiba mayam saisida michang khongnadana adum laibasena ngasi phauda college gi matik chaba oja singse pham hangdaba Manipur government ki loisang singdagi thorakpa college dagi university ki piri ba degree sing hatana akhoi mi oiradara ga ina hangbada masi id I doubtful hoijai competent loiba society sida matik chaba mi sik kanabu akhoina larik laisu hai haina loga dagi haibase yamna khana ningai hoiba tangkak aduni ngase akhoi gi maitai samaj da thengnari base.
President of All India Congress Committee, Sonia Gandhi, is 71 years old today. Birthday celebration of the President of AICC was held at various places across India. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee celebrated the party president's birthday at the party's office at BT Road. President of MPCC, T.N. Haukip, former Chief Minister Okrami Bobby, former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam, Congress MLAs, party's executive members, youth leaders and party workers were present at the event. Speaking at the event, former Chief Minister Okrami Bobby said Sonia Gandhi's birthday is a day of celebration for all Congress party workers. He expressed faith that under the leadership of the aspiring new president of AICC, Rahul Gandhi, the Congress party will revamp. President of MPCC, T.N. Haukip, also lauded Sonia Gandhi as the longest serving and efficient president of the AICC.
All India Congress Committee ki khwaidagi sangna matam sangna President Sas Kubirakpa Madam Sonia Gandhi asigi magi humrama thoirak suba mapok mo palan asida matam sangna punsidana Bharat ki amasung akoi ki party ki makatana seba tobiba adubu matam gi matungina magi masanupa Rahul ji na hujiti anauba President ki All India Congress Committee ki hammachi parani aduna Shri Rahul ji ki able leadership ki makhada sungsoi soidana party ki manung da su ahong bama Bharat ta ahong bama di sungsoi soidana Shri Rahul ji na President oirakpadagi mayamna uba phangagani.
The National Foundation for India is inviting application for its National Media Awards Program 2018. The award is for young mid-career journalists and will allow them to publish and research articles and photo essays on issues of national concern which, though important, do not receive adequate media attention. The award supports the pursuit of in-depth creative field research on these concerns and writing about them with adequate evidence. Under the program, 10 to 12 awards of 1,25,000 rupees are awarded to print and photojournalists each year. The award program is now in its 23rd year, and so far around 230 journalists from across the country have been awarded under the program. The foundation encourages proposals on a broad range of socially relevant issues. Completed application forms may be submitted at mini@nfi.org.in by December 30, 2017. For any queries, contact Mini on telephone number 011-2464-1864 or 2464-1865, and the extension number is 20. A beauty pageant entitled Meitei Chanu, which will showcase the attires and cultures of Meitei community, will be held on December 23 at Bot Palace Compound. Ladingthau Sanamahi Sanapung is organizing the beauty pageant. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, General Secretary of the organization, Lonja Alepa said, the contest is not just a beauty contest but aims to look out for an overall personality imbibed with love for one's cultures, attires and traditions. He said all communities can take part in the beauty pageant. Audition for the beauty pageant will begin from tomorrow at Hotel Imphal, and aspiring participants can only adorn traditional attires. Mr. Manipur Khamba 2017, organized by All Manipur Gymnasium Welfare Association, will kick off at Gandhi Memorial GM Hall tomorrow. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, General Secretary of the association, Yumlembam Sunanta, said the bodybuilding contest is named after Kuman Khamba. He said 151 bodybuilders from 31 gyms will be taking part in the contest, which started since 2012. Men and women participants can compete in 7 different categories. Though the contest was launched today, the main event of the contest will be held at 4 in the afternoon tomorrow.
Hayeng pangtuk sagadoriba competition asi 4.5 lakhs cash prize oina koi thamjari masigi mathakta medal, trophies, certificate, gift hampers amadi food supplements sing ekoi pijagani. Overall da ekoina 60,000 thamjabani adu loina na ekoi donor sing na mateng pangbirapudagi lupa lising tara hapacharaga ekoi hadak chahigi 70,000 thamjai adu loina na ekoi overall da changiba player kudimak ekoi cash prize pijagani.
A showroom entitled as Gangmei's Enterprises, which will showcase and sell various traditional and modern attires and ornaments of Rongmei community as well as other communities of Manipur, was inaugurated at Dimdailong, Imphal East yesterday. A deputy manager of National Small Industries Corporation Limited, Imphal branch, L. Ibetombi, inaugurated the showroom. Speaking at the event, L. Ibetombi asserted that the effort of both the literate and illiterate youth of the state to earn their livelihood is commendable. Proprietor of the showroom, Limpui Ru Gangmei, asserted that her showroom aims to preserve traditional attires and ornaments of the Rongmei tribe, as well as to promote it by adding a modern touch and making it marketable at the state, national and international level. Porampal Police Station in a press release notified that Thaunawjam Ningol Yaikom Ongbi Ranjana, alias Toybi, 32 years, wife of Yaikom Premananda, is missing since the morning of December 4 around 8 at Kurai, Ningthau Bung Lekai. She is from Kharason Awang Lekai and her present residence is at Singjamai Mayengbam Lekai. She is 5 feet 2 inches tall, fair complexioned and has a round face. She was last seen wearing an orange colored panek and a black stole. Whereabouts of the missing person can be informed at the police station or call on mobile number 961-510-2974 or 700-548-7708. In India's biggest football tournament, the I-League match played today at Kozhikode Stadium, Kerala. First-timer at the league, Manipur's Neroka FC beat Kerala's Gokulam FC 3-0. For the winners, a foreign player, Odili Chidi netted 1 goal in the 24th minute, Ningthaujam Pritam netted another goal in the 43rd minute, and Ngangom Ronel netted one more goal in the 90+5 minutes. It may be recalled that in its first match, Neroka FC defeated Punjab's Minerva FC 2-1. With today's victory, Neroka FC has added 3 points in its kitty. Bengaluru FC beat North East United in the 4th Indian Super League 2017-18 football tournament. In a match played yesterday at Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium, Guwahati, Bengaluru FC beat North East United 1-0. Bengaluru's FC's Miku netted the winning goal in the 47th minute of the match. FC Goa will meet Kerala Blaster in a match tonight at 8. AMOFA Academy in a press release informed that AMOFA Academy Moirang, which represented India, defeated ID Town of China's Lijiang Thai Football School 2-0 in the Under-15, the Belt and Road Haiku International Youth Football Tournament 2017, which kicked off in China on December 6 in the league match played yesterday. While in the league match played today, Amofa Academy Moirang beat Tampines Rovers Singapore 3-0. In the final league match, Amofa Academy Moirang will meet Key Middle School China tomorrow. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren laments lack of proper playgrounds as hindrance in producing good football players from the state, keen on construction of more playgrounds. Two-day National Conference on New Technology for Road Construction witnesses Union Minister Nitin Gadkari's aspirations to put Manipur among developed states of the country. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham says development is not mere imitation of developed countries but preservation of our age-old traditions. State Police Department cautions the public not to support a band called by all Manipur DPC completed re-recruitment candidate of Police Constable Male 2013. Batch. And the first-timer at the I-League football tournament, Neroka FC beat Kerala's Gokulam FC by 3-0.